Hi, it's Fitz with Slap Chop. You're gonna be in a great mood all day because you're gonna be slapping your troubles away, slapping your troubles away, slapping your troubles away. You're gonna be slapping your trap chop, slap chop. You're gonna be slap chop. You're gonna love my nuts. One slap, you're gonna love my nuts. 2 slaps, you're gonna love my nuts. When you add a mushroom, you're gonna love my nuts. The more you do it, you're gonna love my nuts. You love salad, you love my nuts. Hey, look at this. The more you do it, the more you love my nuts. Slap my nuts. Stop having a boring life. Slap my nuts. Watch this. Slap my nuts. Love my nuts. I love my nuts. You hate my nuts. Cover my nuts. So easy. One finger. If I can do it with one finger, you guys can do it with your whole hand. Kids can do it. Kids love my nuts. The reason you're gonna slap my nuts is it's so easy to clean my nuts. Clean. 1, 2, nuts. Guys, we're gonna make America love my nuts. One slap at a time. Martini, bikini, my nuts. Call now within the next 20 minutes, because you know we can't do this all day. 2 for $19.95. The Slap Chop with my nuts. Here's how to order.
Call 1-800-951-77.